Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. We have these really awesome Speck cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is the Presidio Perfect-Clear with grips and Presidio Perfect-Clear without grips, and they are the MagSafe edition for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Speck is a company that I've purchased many cases for my devices over the years, and you can tell anytime it's a Speck case by this grip design. You can see TV shows and movies and immediately know this grip design is Speck. So there's the inside right there of the case, and it's going to be white all the time or clear, which is great. It's not going to yellow. And so this is the perfectly clear one without the grips. I like both of them. I could see using both of these cases often with my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and they give bumper protection as well. Now they both have 13-foot drop protection. They have Microban technology built in, which reduces bacteria on the case, which is nice. And you can get these now from Speck. They come in different colors as well, but I like the ones with the grips that are perfectly clear. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.